Hi teacher, my name is Martin Valles and today I'm doing the video about the questions of technology. Then and now. The questions I only made it for my father because my mother was not able to answer me. So let's get started. First of anything, my father's have a cheese factory, so every question is going to have something similar to a cheese factory. So let's get started. How does technology influence in your work? My father told me that technology influences his work since manual work to machines. Like there's some machines that they treat the milk, and after those machines came out, it was everything by hands. There was like 2 wood sticks, and then you just go and do circular movements. Then I asked him what kind of technology do you use in your work? It was the same thing about the last question, so he told me that he uses some special machines to treat the milk and make cheese from the milk. Then I asked him, do you consider technology as something good for society? And he told me that no. Well, he told me yes, but also he told me no, because how technology can help us in our work, in our homeworks and stuff like that. He told me that these things they're doing, they're making us stupid people, because if you go to the mall, you just only seeing people like this, watching his phone, taking pictures, talking to people, etc. And stuff like that. So he told me that it helps people. Yes, it helps, but there's no benefits about using technology as an addiction. Yeah. Then I asked him how had changed it in schools, and he told me that he doesn't know, but I can tell you that it helped a lot, because internet is something that we use every day. It's a big information teller. Well, es una gran fuente de información, and the access of internet is for everybody. So it's a really good help me. Do you prefer the technology after? He told me that yes, because everything was better after this big change, because My father is 56 years old, so he had used the old phones, and he told me that yes, it's a really good. It's pretty. It was easier in past years. So I don't know. It's his point of vista. Um, what was your previous job? My father, after he was making cheese, he was a mechanic. He was fixing cars in Dallas, and then we came here to Cuauhtemoc. But yeah, after he started making cheese, he was a mechanic, a pretty good mechanic. Then what do you like most about your work? I asked. He told me that he likes to do cheese because it's a really good food that makes people happy. I don't know why, because every food makes happy to everyone, so I don't know why he told me that. So it's really boring, you know? What are the differences? No. Do you think that robots are going to control the humans? He told me that yes. The intelligence of humans can be spared by robots. And yeah, it's what is going to happen if we don't do anything to stop that. And did you imagine that the robots can make us do something, that they can give us orders or something like that? That will not be good. Yeah. So for the last thing, I asked him how it changed in the music industry. He told me that since he was young, he used like Walkman, I think that is. Yeah, Walkman. Like Guardians of Galaxy one. That it was a blue one. You just hear phones, and I don't know what else. It was a cable, and there was a little box that you just go and buy some cassettes. You just plug it in, and you press play, and then the music gets started. That he was, since that to this, it was a lot of change, because after these ones came out, you always have to go and buy new cassettes for listening music. So, and you just have the phones, and the phones have every type of music that you want to listen in the moment. So yeah, it had changed a lot. Since that to this, it has changed a lot. Yeah. I think that's everything. Thank you, teacher Raquel, and hope that I make good in the exam. So yeah, thank you. Have a good night.